You have to think of a secret word that you don't tell anybody.
Okay.
Okay? Then we use certain clues to give people the clues, and they have to guess what the word is. Okay. First I will give you a few examples until you can understand. Because if you just look at this, maybe it will be a little difficult. Okay, let me explain. I have a secret word, okay. So, my first clue, something bigger, means I must think of something bigger than my word. Okay, so I think about my word, something bigger is, let me say, mountain. A mountain is bigger than my word, okay? Something smaller, a car. Okay, a car is smaller than my word. Okay, next one, a verb that goes with it. A verb that goes with it. You know verb, right? So which verb can I use with my secret word? The verb I will use for my secret word is live. Live. Okay. Next one. A word that comes earlier in the dictionary. You know dictionary, right? Okay, so any word that comes before my word in the dictionary. Do you understand? Any word that comes in the dictionary before my secret word. That's easy. It can be many, many words, right? Okay, so for example, I would say banana. Okay, so you know my word is after banana in the dictionary. You won't find it before banana, it's after banana. Okay, next one. A longer word beginning with the same letter. Beginning with the same letter, so a longer word is hamburger. So now you know my word begins with H. You know my word begins with H. This hamburger is longer than my word. The next one, you need a word that's shorter than my word, right? A shorter word beginning with the same letter. The same letter is the H. That's later. Okay. Shorter word, hat. Hat. Hat is shorter than my secret word. Okay? Next one. An adjective to describe it. An adjective to describe it. Adjective is ADJ. ADJ, adjective. Okay? So any adjective that can describe my secret word. So I could say, for example, expensive. Expensive. You can say expensive this. Alright. The opposite of that adjective. You know opposite, right? Opposite. The opposite of expensive is cheap. You can also say cheap this. Okay. And the last one, another word the adjectives go with. That means I can say expensive this, cheap this. I can also say expensive this, cheap this, something else, any other thing. So I would just say maybe gift. Expensive gift, cheap gift, that's another word. That's what the last one means. Okay. So these are the clues. Now you can guess, what is my secret word?
House.
Very good. House. House. Okay, let's go over it again and then I think it will be clearer to you. So my secret word is a house. Something bigger than a house is a mountain, right? Something smaller than a house is a car. A verb that goes with house is live. I live in the house. Okay. A word that comes earlier in the dictionary before house is banana. Because banana starts with B, house is H. The B is before H. Comes earlier in the dictionary, not later. Okay? The next one, a longer word beginning with the same letter. Hamburger is longer. A shorter word, hat, is shorter. Adjective to describe it, expensive house. The opposite is cheap, a cheap house. And finally, another word the adjectives go with, a gift. Expensive gift, cheap gift. Any other word. Okay, so that's how the clues work. I'm going to give you one more example, and then I'm going to let you do this, okay?
阅读就是那两个形容词，就是你上面这两个形容词也可以形容，就是对这个没有，这是没有帮助。OK， 没有。很多人文字不行。他们一脸茫然。一脸茫然。我知道啊。
Okay, I give you one more example. One more example, and then you can try. All right. Let me think. We go with.
深度诶，猜一个。你要想的那后面都可以找得到的。对啊，我这样。
Okay, I have a secret word. I have a secret word. Something bigger than my secret word is castle. You know castle. The king and queen live in a castle, right? Something smaller than my word is computer. Maybe I can make this easier. Castle is too big. Just say a living room. Okay, living room is bigger than my word. Computer is smaller. Okay. A verb that goes with it is play. Okay. A word earlier in the dictionary is, say again, mountain. Mountain is before this in the dictionary. Okay. A longer word with the same letter is maybe psychology. You guys know psychology? Psychology is a subject. Maybe you have it in the university. Psychology is about how people think and so on. Right? Okay? So, you know it starts with P. So a shorter word with the same letter, I'll use pet. Cat and dog. Pet. And adjective to describe it. So what ADJ describes this, maybe I could say beautiful. Beautiful. The opposite of that? Ugly. And another word the adjectives go with can be many things. It can be a woman, right? Okay, what is my secret word? This one is easy. Piano, very good. Piano, that's another example. So do you guys understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I want you to do this.
Yeah.
You four together, you four together, you four together.
Okay.
Think of a secret word.
第一个就你就在心里想一个东西，然后第一条就是说什么问你，你要举例一个东西比你心里想的那个东西要大，然后第二个是比你心里想的要小，第三个就是用什么动词去执行它，像那个 piano 就用对 piano， 然后第四个是说它的字就是
开头，它开头在哪里？
就是说 P 就是在 M 之前，所以老师举例嘛。然后这个，1、2、3、4、5，第5个是说同样字开头，就同样是 P 开头的，举例一个比较长的单字。那第6个是比较短的单字。然后
形容词，下一个是形容词。
形容词。
一个形容词，形容词相反词，就是
漂亮。对，你就是用什么去形容它，然后跟相反的。然后最后一个就阿格里斯，
阿格里达。
最后一个就是用，就是这2个形容词同时可以形容另外一个东西，那另外一个东西是什么？就没什么特色的。
Thank you.
帮我想的东西是后
You are the teacher number 2. Okay, guys. Now you have to choose a secret word.
Yeah.
Okay. Just don't let the others hear it. Okay. Don't say piano or something. The others shouldn't hear it. Keep it a secret. But together in your group, you work and you can write down these things. Later, we will tell everybody and everybody can guess. But in the beginning, keep your secret words only between you 4. Keep it secret. Okay? Alright, so go ahead.
我们想几个。
要写吗？他刚写的，他刚写的应该都。
Picture， 他稍微画一下。
Yeah, sure.
那要选哪
呀！
快，那个，
可是翻有很多种哎。不要学我们翻。这个 camera。
想什么？背。
那我背可以出给好。
背难一点。这样当然不会了。
卡。
画家，非常人家。
他们是不画家，不是，是发架。
没有发架，
不要发架。ring。
哦 ，OK， 恭喜 ，ring，比他大的。看一下，就这个，就你说的那个，要什么color？它是。在贝利斯都哦，就是不一样。
你不要想那么多，
比他大。
我们应该是这个。
没有，
是吧？对，他是后面嘛，他之前，你看 M 跟 P 嘛，说他帮我想这个，这我听不懂他意思。Hungary。他之后
那就这个。
对，5个后面
比他小。那个菜。哪一个是忘带子？端的。
这个是比他小，那个大吧。
这 tape 吗？这是什么意思？
你要找比较长的单词。
好，这是
7个单词。那个身体的。
你想做我手机做字下面？
没有，
只是把手放到上面。
一个没有4个字，它7个字。
第4个是他的前一个，对，他在他之前的，他之前我们只能找 A 开头，那他们是这样子。好，你就写。
你想走？为什么的 ？Sorry 啊，
他的动词，就是用什么去做那件事
？Sorry。Oh my god。
第4个 B 本呢？你知道大学？为什么你知道大学？
在前面的嘛。
对，第1个是在前面。B A N A。
哇，看起来会变比较聪明的。 这样可以吗？
哎，这两个，哎，这是比较强的，
这后面比较少，那其他都是。你用这个字，跟我们说一样是 C 开头，你用这字 C。
一样，可以吗？
一样是 C 啊。
要一样开头的。
不然要写什么？可是写不快点，感觉对要形容词在那里。那是形容它，而且你这条是动词形容它。对啊，它不是 ADJ 啊。你要怎么？你怎么用这个？它是这个也不是啊。你刚跟我讲那个词，我不会翻译成那个。你讲跟我讲，大家都知道。那个比如就快速或者慢 ，fast 行驶肉。形容它的外观。真的觉得good吗？你讲 good 吧 ？good day。OK。我就随便填一个。是外观这样。人好了。然后快慢同时可以形容。好的跟坏的，还有就是他在告虚告。好，就是那个快的。没有那个，我已经不用念对。我已经举那个明显比较少。我也觉得我们有那个。对啊。没差。那个啊？哎，这边不举啊。
是这样吗？最后一个是？
最后一个是那两个可以形容的。
我也不相信我看。
有可能不相信父子家。OK， 好。
Okay, is everybody ready? Okay, good. All right, you guys go first, please. Remember, don't say the word. Okay. I had another class, and before they started, they said sandwich or something, and then the game was over because that was the secret word. So don't say the secret word. Okay.
Okay.
You guys go first. Something bigger.
People.
People. Okay. Something smaller.